Hello again, it's Eric from Primal Tone, and today we answer the question, what's in the box? Okay, so we know it's a Fender product, and I ordered it on eBay from a company called the Stratosphere. They specialize in guitar parts, bodies, necks, and I buy a lot of stuff there because they actually do a real good job. Their prices are competitive. This was cheaper there than it was from Fender directly, and it is brand new, but I want to build the suspense for a little bit. There we go. Alright, so what do we have here? Uh-oh. Looks like we're going to have to do it from the end. I didn't anticipate that. I was hoping to do a side opening. So, we're going to... Boy, that's really in there. Just so you can see what's happening. Alright, so here we go. Whoa! This must be a Fender neck. In fact, I know that it is because I ordered it. Here it is. It is a replacement neck for my 2011 Fender American Deluxe Stratocaster. I'm not super pleased with the neck that's on there. I just don't like the finish. It doesn't feel great. So I wanted to get something that was a little newer and maybe hopefully better. This one has the abalone inlays and stuff like that, which the other one had the mother of pearl. But there was something I didn't like about it. One of the things I didn't like was that the back of the neck was a gloss finish. It just doesn't feel right. So my plan is to take that old neck off, put this one on. Ooh, look at that beauty. That's nice. Look at that. That's beautiful. Real nice and shiny there. Satiny back here, just as it should be. Made in the USA, right in California.